to improve your SwiftUI skills with iOS 17? In this video, we're diving deep into SwiftData relationships, where you will learn how to build smarter, more efficient apps. By the end, you will have an app that lets users check out library books while tracking the relationship of borrowed items. As you can see on the screen, I can check out any book. If I go to, you will see that Yahuwah's book, Yahuwah's Bible, has been checked out. I can check out another book, The Great Gatsby, and also To Kill a Mockingbird. And then if I navigate to the tab view item, you can see that I've checked out 3 books. And if I want to return the books, I just click on the return button. So I'll return 2 books, Yahuwah's Bible and To Kill a Mockingbird. Return back to the checked out view. As you can see, those 2 books have been returned to the library. So this is the application that we're creating in this tutorial. Within our project, we will now create our first table that will store our books. Select Swift file, click on Next, name the file Book, import SwiftUI, import SwiftData, app model, class book. The purpose of using app model is to declare that our book class will be a data class, as in a data table, a database table. Var ID, UID, and the purpose of the UID will be to serve as the primary key. Title string, author string, image path string. That can be optional. Create our init initializer. We can remove the ID from the initializer. So in our initializer, we should have the title, author, image path, and the next table we need to create is the checked out book table. So we create another Swift file. Name the file checked out book. And then we add our imports that we added previously. Import SwiftUI, import SwiftData, at model class checked out book. var ID UID equals UID var book var checked out date var book image path string, which is optional. Then we create our initializer again. And date should be equal to date, which is today's date. The next thing we need to do is to open our project file that includes the work group. For example, in this project, it's called SwiftUI Tester App, which is at the top here. And then after that, we have to apply our model container. And the purpose of applying our model container is to attach our SwiftData model that includes the book and checkout entities, which are the database tables. So we need to attach it to the content view. Model container. Book.self. Checked out book.self. In the next tutorial, we will add our view model, which will be the library view model. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.